I will provide you with valuable tips on the easiest and quickest way to insert and remove your Vionaro V8 drawer correctly. The good thing is that removing and inserting the drawer works the same way at every drawer height. It doesn't matter whether the height is 72, 89 or 200. Before I can give you my first tip, we need to remove the drawer. Tip number 1 is to open the drawer completely to the end, right up to the stop. Then, put both hands on the front locking devices on the underside of the drawer and pull the levers outwards. As you can hear, it is now unlocked. Tip number 2. Move the drawer back a little bit, around 5 or 6 centimeters, and then pull it forwards with a small jerk. This is really important. This is how you unlock the drawer from the slide, so you can remove the drawer. The all-important tip number 3 is to pull the drawer towards you. This is very important. Do not lift the drawer in the meantime. The front locking device is located here on the underside and has these 2 levers which I'll move outwards. These separate the connection between the slide and the drawer. It's important to ensure the drawer is inserted straight onto the slide. To reinsert the drawer, pull the 2 slides outwards. Place the drawer approximately in the center of the slide and close it. Now, place your fingers to the sides of the front and create equal distance between the cabinet and the front. Put your hands on the front and then push back with a jerk. Again, you can hear that the drawer has locked into the slide. Open the drawer and close it with force. Now check from the top and side to see if there's still a gap. As you can see here, it's possible to pull the system stop on this plastic part forwards. I also hear that a gear has become loose. Of course, I can check again on the underside and retighten it here. It's important that the system stop, this grey plastic part, touches the front. If this is the case, I can open the drawer, close it again, and check everything from above. That looks good. The drawer fits so far. Here's another tip if you've installed the Tipmatic soft close unit. If you open a drawer that doesn't have a handle, for example, and see these units installed in the cabinet, this will make it easier to insert the drawer. If the ejector, this plastic part here, is not in this position, but is instead here at the back of the Tipmatic soft close closing unit, it can be easily moved by pushing the ejector back with your finger. Of course, you can do this on both sides, left and right. Now, this Tipmatic soft close unit offers no resistance. As you've just seen, this means that you can put the drawer back parallel to the slide, close it, lock the drawer with a jerk, and then adjust it again as normal. And that's the end of the video. Now you've seen how to insert and remove the drawer correctly. I also shared the valuable tip that this works much more easily with the Tipmatic soft close unit installed. You can find more links to this topic in the info box below. Still have questions? Then let us know in the comments. Like the video, subscribe to our channel and activate the bell. I wish you every success in your projects. Take care.